Registered Electrical Engineering Board Exam Reviewer. Engineering Sciences and Allied Subjects Multiple Choice Questions and Answers. 50 items, Part 27. Instructions. Read the questions carefully and select the correct answer from the choices. Test yourself. Good luck. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Self-Review PH. Prepared by Engineer June. Question number 1. What refers to a crystal imperfection, characterized by regions of severe atomic misfit, where atoms are not properly surrounded by neighbor atoms? A. Discrystallization. B. Dislocation. C. Slip step. D. Dispersion. The correct answer is letter B. Dislocation. Question number 2. All are basic operation in Boolean algebra except A. Logical addition. B. Logical subtraction. C. Logical multiplication. D. Logical complementation. The correct answer is letter B. Logical subtraction. Question number 3. What property of an element is determined by the number of protons in its nucleus? A. Atomic weight. B. Atomic number. C. Isotopes. D. Atomic mass unit. The correct answer is letter B. Atomic number. Question number 4. What refers to the time with which a disk can find data being sought? A. Access time. B. Data rate time. C. Transfer time. D. Enter time. The correct answer is letter A. Access time. Question number 5. Any pair of equal, opposite and parallel forces constitutes which of the following? A. Couple. B. Torque. C. Moment. D. Dead load. The correct answer is letter A. Couple. Question number 6. Which of the following statements is based on Prevost theory of heat exchange? A. All bodies above absolute zero emit radiation. B. The substance moves because of the decrease in its density which is caused by increase in temperature. C. The substance moves because of the application of mechanical power such as that of a fan. D. Heat transfer in most of the cases occurs by combination of conduction, convection and radiation. The correct answer is letter A. All bodies above absolute zero emit radiation. Question number 7. To prevent translation while permitting rotation, a structure must be added with A. Rivet. B. Bearing. C. Hinge. D. Roller. The correct answer is letter C. Hinge. Question number 8. What do you call the distinct pattern in space which the atoms of metal arrange themselves when they combine to produce a substance of recognizable size? A. Space lattice. B. Crystal. C. Grain. D. Unit cell. The correct answer is letter A, space lattice. Question number 9. When free competition exists, the price of a product will be that value where supply is equal to the demand. This is commonly known as blank. A. Law of diminishing return. B. Law of supply. C. Law of demand. D. Law of supply and demand. The correct answer is letter D, law of supply and demand. Question number 10. In convection heat transfer, what happens to the heat transfer coefficient if the viscosity of the fluid decreases? A. The heat transfer coefficient also increases. B. The heat transfer coefficient will decrease. C. The heat transfer coefficient remains constant. D. The heat transfer coefficient partially increases then decrease. The correct answer is letter A, the heat transfer coefficient also increases. Question number 11. Which of the following is a dimensionless ratio of a fluid's density to some standard reference density? A. Specific weight. B. Specific gravity. C. Specific volume. D. Coefficient of resistance. The correct answer is letter B, specific gravity. Question number 12. Indicate the false statement about aluminum. A. It has 1/3 the weight of steel. B. It has 1/3 of the stiffness of steel. C. It has high strength to weight ratio. D. It has poor thermal and electrical conductivity. The correct answer is letter D, it has poor thermal and electrical conductivity. Question number 13. Which of the following refers to the number of reactions or members that would have to be removed in order to make the structure statically determinate? A. Degree of accuracy. B. Degree of indeterminacy. C. Degree of rigidity. D. Degree of structure. The correct answer is letter B, degree of indeterminacy. Question number 14. What is the generally accepted nominal mass of a proton? A. 1 AMU. B. 10 AMU. C. 0.1 AMU. D. 5 AMU. The correct answer is letter A, 1 AMU. Question number 15. What is the term for a high-speed memory used to store a small amount of data temporarily so that the data can be retrieved quickly? A. Cache memory. B. Video memory. C. Volatile memory. D. Scratchpad memory. The correct answer is letter D, scratchpad memory. Question number 16. To maximize the horizontal range of the projectile, which of the following applies? A. Maximize velocity. B. Maximize the angle of elevation and velocity. C. Maximize the angle of elevation. D. The tangent function of the angle of trajectory must be equal to 1. The correct answer is letter D. The tangent function of the angle of trajectory must be equal to 1. Question number 17. What allotropic form of iron refers to iron that has a temperature range of room temperature to 1670 degree Fahrenheit? A. Beta iron. B. Gamma iron. C. Delta iron. D. Alpha iron. The correct answer is letter D. Alpha iron. Question number 18. Which of the following transfer of heat is involved in the changing of boiling water at 100 degrees C to vapor at the same temperature? A. Conduction. B. Convection. C. Radiation. D. Evaporation. The correct answer is letter B. Convection. Question number 19. What refers to the deterioration of material by oscillatory relative motion of small amplitude 20 to 100 micrometer between two solid surfaces in a corrosive environment? A. Stray current corrosion. B. Microbiological corrosion. C. Filiform corrosion. D. Fretting corrosion. The correct answer is letter D. Fretting corrosion. Question number 20. Which of the following is the measure of the relative effectiveness of momentum and energy transport by diffusion in the velocity and thermal boundary layer? A. Nusselt's number. B. Prandtl number. C. Reynolds number. D. Dimensional measurement. The correct answer is letter B. Prandtl number. Question number 21. What does DTML means? A. Diode transistor macro logic. B. Diode transistor minimum logic. C. Diode transistor maximum logic. D. Diode transistor micro logic. The correct answer is letter D. Diode transistor micro logic. Question number 22. Steel is an alloy of iron and carbon with limits on the amount of carbon to less than blank %. A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 1% to 5%. The correct answer is letter A. 2. Question number 23. A body is said to be in rotational equilibrium when A. No net torque acts on it. B. No net force acts on it. C. Its vector sum of the forces is 0. D. The forces acting on the body are non-concurrent. The correct answer is letter A. No net torque acts on it. Question number 24. What type of steel has carbon as its principal hardening agent? A. Alloy steel. B. Stainless steel. C. Galvanized steel. D. Carbon steel. The correct answer is letter D. Carbon steel. Question number 25. Which of the following is the property of the solid that provides the measure of the rate of heat transfer to the energy storage? A. Thermal efficiency. B. Thermal diffusivity. C. Thermal conductivity. D. Thermal radiography. The correct answer is letter B, thermal diffusivity. Question number 26. Which of the following takes the complete decimal number and represents it in binary? A. BCD. B. Gray code. C. XS3 code. D. Straight binary code. The correct answer is letter D, straight binary code. Question number 27. When one of the factors of production is fixed in quantity or is difficult to increase, increasing the other factors of production will result in a less than proportionate increase in output. This refers to what? A. Law of diminishing return. B. Law of supply. C. Law of demand. D. Law of supply and demand. The correct answer is letter A, law of diminishing return. Question number 28. The blank, exerted by a force on a body is the measure of its effectiveness in tuning the body about a certain pivot. A. Couple. B. Torque. C. Moment arm. D. All of the above. The correct answer is letter B, torque. Question number 29. Red brass contains about how many percent of zinc? A. 20%. B. 15%. C. 20%. D. 25%. The correct answer is letter B, 15%. Question number 30. One of the following statements is wrong. Which one is it? A. Electron is an elementary quantity of negative electricity. B. Proton is an elementary quantity of positive electricity. C. An atom is composed of a central nucleus and orbital electrons. D. The mass of an electron is heavier than that of a proton. The correct answer is letter D. The mass of an electron is heavier than that of a proton. Question number 31. Which of the following equations is the definition of enthalpy? A. H equals U plus PV. B. H equals U plus P over V. C. H equals P over V plus U over T. D. H equals U minus PV. The correct answer is letter A, H equals U plus PV. Question number 32. What is the minimum tensile strength of gray cast iron class 50? A. 25,000 pound force per square inch. B. 35,000 pound force per square inch. C. 50,000 pound force per square inch. D. 100,000 pound force per square inch. The correct answer is letter C, 50,000 pound force per square inch. Question number 33. What register holds the current instruction during its execution? A. Instruction register. B. Pushdown register. C. Program register. D. Execution register. The correct answer is letter A. Instruction register. Question number 34. Which of the following mechanism of heat transfer where Stefan-Boltzmann law is applicable? A. Conduction. B. Radiation. C. Convection. D. Convection, conduction and radiation. The correct answer is letter B. Radiation. Question number 35. The following are primary alloying ingredients of group H steels except A. Molybdenum. B. Tungsten. C. Cobalt. D. Chromium. The correct answer is letter C. Cobalt. Question number 36. For a system to be in equilibrium, A. The force polygon must be close. B. All forces must be concurrent, if not acting parallel. C. It must satisfy the three static equations. D. All of the above. The correct answer is letter D. All of the above. Question number 37. What type of database contains records in an organized, structured format? A. Hierarchical database. B. Relational database. C. Ordered database. D. Sequential database. The correct answer is letter A. Hierarchical database. Question number 38. Which of the following best describe function of a heat exchanger? A. Increase the water temperature entering the system. B. Transfer heat from one fluid to another. C. Evaluate the total energy content of the flow. D. Exchange heat to increase energy to the flow. The correct answer is letter B. Transfer heat from one fluid to another. Question number 39. The chromolybdenum steels contain how many % of molybdenum? A. 0.10. B. 0.20. C. 0.30. D. 0.40. The correct answer is letter B. 0.20. Question number 40. If the water of a turbine flows parallel towards the axis of rotation from the runner, what is the classification of the said turbine? A. Radial flow turbine. B. Mixed flow turbine. C. Axial flow turbine. D. Inward flow turbine. The correct answer is letter C. Axial flow turbine. Question number 41. What bond whose security is a mortgage on certain specified assets of the corporation? A. Registered bond. B. Collateral trust bond. C. Mortgage bond. D. Debenture bond. The correct answer is letter C, mortgage bond. Question number 42. It refers to weight of the fluid per unit volume. Which one? A. Absolute weight. B. Mass. C. Specific weight. D. Gravitational acceleration. The correct answer is letter C, specific weight. Question number 43. Which of the following is the requirement of the temperature of a body for it to emit radiation? A. Above 0 Celsius. B. Above 0 Kelvin. C. Above of the temperature of the surroundings. D. High enough for it to glow. The correct answer is letter B, above 0 Kelvin. Question number 44. Two metals were kept together at room temperature and it was found out that one is colder than the other. Which of the following is the best reason why one metal is colder than the other? A. The heat transfer coefficient of one metal is of higher. B. One metal is lower temperature as compared to the other. C. One metal is higher temperature as compared to the other. D. The thermal conductivity of one metal is high as compared to the other. The correct answer is letter D. The thermal conductivity of one metal is high as compared to the other. Question number 45. The chrome vanadium steels contain how many % of vanadium? A. 0.15 to 0.30. B. 0.05 to 0.15. C. 0.30 to 0.45. D. 0.45 to 0.60. The correct answer is letter A, 0.15 to 0.30. Question number 46. Which of the following is a force multiplying device using pressurized fluid? A. Differential manometer. B. Pneumatic relay. C. Plunger. D. Hydraulic ram. The correct answer is letter D. Hydraulic ram. Question number 47. What is a combination of two or more materials that has properties that the components materials do not have by themselves? A. Compound. B. Composite. C. Mixture. D. Matrix. The correct answer is letter B. Composite. Question number 48. The rate at which heat flows through a slab of some material does not depend on which of the following? A. The thickness of the slab. B. The area of the slab. C. The temperature difference between two phases. D. The specific heat of the material. The correct answer is letter D, the specific heat of the material. Question number 49. A mass of fluid at a higher pressure will have more energy than an identical mass of fluid at a lower pressure. What do you call their energy difference? A. Energy gap. B. Energy drop. C. Hydrostatic energy. D. Pressure energy. The correct answer is letter D, pressure energy. Question number 50. Which is an example of intangible asset? A. Cash. B. Investment in subsidiary companies. C. Furnitures. D. Patents. The correct answer is letter D, patents.